All right, guys, welcome back to WP City. Today, I noticed something kind of crazy in the RankMath plugin. You want to know what it is?
Definitely.
Okay, so tell us about what you know about slugs. Like, WP City is a website I bought. I bought it because it had a bunch of rankings, a bunch of likes, and all kinds of things like that. And normally what we would do is go in here and look at where the content was, what ranked, build it up, and actually make it work so that we can get ranked again. And as you can see, kind of works. Yeah, it works. We're getting a lot of traffic. So with this, one of the struggles that we've had was we only get data on the stuff that ranked, not the stuff that didn't rank. And in this website, there was actually hidden money that I didn't know existed until I found this hack in the RankMath plugin. So what we're going to do, first of all, tell us about these slugs. How do they work?
Well, the slugs are what you want to use when you're trying to get those old rankings. It's what generates whenever you add even a fresh article to your website. Every article is going to have a slug to it, and from that article, keywords will be generated once it gets picked up in good old Google. But when you're wanting to get those old rankings, the slugs are the most important part when it comes to that. And you want your slugs to be exact as what they were.
Got it. So a slug would be like https://wpcity.com. That's the domain.
Yes.
And then the slug is pretty much anything after the domain.
Correct.
And with WordPress, sometimes it's like, I mean, if this guy had some random file called elephantman.php $502964, I would never know that existed. No, I would never make the file. And if that's the highest trafficked file on his website, I don't get it because I don't know it exists. But actually, check this out. So with our slugs here, obviously what we're doing is we're building them up. So this Fiverr post, we could see the rankings are going good because I matched the slug exactly, which means that the page fits exactly. So the post or page fits exactly what that was that ranked in Google. So if we were to go back like 2 years ago before I owned this website, you could see that here's all the things. And we want to make sure that all of these slugs actually match up so we can get that traffic back. Now, one of the things I noticed here, because sometimes when you buy a site, a domain name, like I have tons of domain name videos, and maybe next week we'll talk about domain names. When you buy a domain name, sometimes it was an affiliate marketer, and they might have like a refer script, refer for like referring, not to be confused with other things. And that script might get a lot of traffic, and it might have links everywhere, and it might be able to make money, but I don't know because I don't know it existed. And in the RankMath plugin, check this out. When you go to your dashboard, I noticed this RankMath overview 404 monitor. So this is a log count of 78 URLs that I didn't know existed, getting 119 visitors that I would have never gotten. They would have just gotten a 404 page, and that's what they're getting right now. But if I go into the log here, check this out. I can actually see WP City, Backup, BK, BC, Main. These are pages I didn't know exist, but they're getting hits right now.
Oh.
Right, so this is traffic I wouldn't have known. Or ads.txt, that might be an ad file that they had that they gave away. Or mini, alpha. All of these could be redirects. They could be affiliate links. Like down here, you could see, as I mentioned with the refer thing, wpcity.com/refer link whisper. And I guarantee if you go link whisper affiliate program, you're going to see there's probably an affiliate program, and that's what they're doing. Right? So what do you think about that? What are your thoughts on that report? And
is a game changer. That means there's no more trying to find the 404s by yourself. It's giving it to you. All you've got to do is fill up those pages, fill up those posts with those slugs, and you could potentially get those rankings back.
Absolutely. And,
wow.
And like right here, these are getting traffic. So if I put my affiliate link there, now it's my affiliate link. I can get sales.
There you go.
Which is really cool. Here's one for Keyword Finder. So I could do KW Finder affiliate program. All I'm going to do is swap these with, and actually this is funny because I've actually made thousands of dollars with the Man Ghouls one. I didn't realize it was called KW Finder. That's one of the ones that we promote, and all I would have to do is swap it for mine I could build a page on that, get a ranking. I mean, it's super easy, super simple. And this is like just going and getting free money that came with this domain, which I've owned for, I think, close to a year now.
Yep.
And I mean, imagine how much traffic there was before we installed this. I could have been getting sales.
Yeah, definitely. I wish we would have known about this earlier.
Yeah, absolutely. And like this one, all you need to know about Shopify versus Amazon, different codes here. There's all kinds of stuff. And I think this is a big deal.
Oh, it is.
Because what I visualize, there's Elementor. You could be an affiliate of Elementor. And it just goes on and on. We could probably sort these by refer and see what, there you go. There's your affiliate links. This is really cool because what I envision is I could go and buy a domain that I think is good, install WordPress on it, nothing else, no theme, no fancy stuff, slap RankMath on it, boom, a month later, I get all the data about my site, I match my data with whatever it is I'm building, and there you go.
It seems like it shouldn't even be a question as to whether or not you should have this.
Yeah, and I was actually kind of
definite.
I mean, last time we weren't that sold on RankMath, I would buy it just for this.
80.
Yeah, I'd buy it just for this. Because this is something where, and I'm sure there's probably other tools that would log your 404s, but I like this. I think it's very simple. I think it's something where if you want to buy expired domains and just put this on, because I think RankMath allows you to put it on as many sites as you want. I think we call the big Kukwina plan.
Well then, yeah.
Yeah, so I mean, it
takes a lot of the hard work out.
Yeah.
If we're finding those 404s, like in a minute, once we get that data starts popping up on your site, it's just at that point, get to work making those pages and posts.
Exactly. And like on this one, how would you go about? So we have a regular structure of our posts. So like our links look like this, where it's WPZ City / this. If I wanted to convert to this, would I have to do something fancy to get that extra refer? Is that a category? Screw up my older ones.
So if we change the permalink structure just to try to get that, yes, it would definitely screw up your other ones. So what I would do is I would create a page for refer.
Okay. So we go in, we do page.
Yeah.
Add new page.
And just title it refer.
Okay. Refer.
Yep.
Okay.
And save it.
Publish. Okay, so now we have refer.
Yep. And then we would create another page for, what was it, Link Whisper?
Link Whisper. Okay, so we'll do Link Whisper. We have to say that.
Yeah, you could do it that way. Because in the slug,
it'll change it. Yeah, so we'll just do like this and we'll edit.
Get rid of that.
So, okay.
And then
update. So I don't even need content in it. I could just click here to get weekly.
Yep. But first, wait, we're not done. Scroll down.
Okay.
Where it says no parent, you did click that and go to refer.
Refer. All right.
And then update again. And now our slug will match.
Boom. That's amazing.
Yeah. That easy.
So now when we go and look at our dashboard here of the errors, okay, now we have Link Whisper. Obviously, that didn't work, so it wasn't page. And then if we go to the old one here, let's fingers crossed, it should work.
It will work.
Oh, wait, let's see. It's doing that. Let's see.
Oh, yeah, when showing WTC.
Okay, I wonder why it does that. Maybe I'll bet you that's a bug in, or you know what? It's because it's 1/. That's why. So the 2/1 will work. I mean, it's not too big of a deal there. There it is. Yeah. So like that there. Let's see.
Why is it?
I think it's a bug in RankMath because this is working. So it's probably a bug in the RankMath because it's the way that it works is with WordPress. When you have this, it's actually defaulting. So see how this doesn't have WP City, but it puts it in there. You have no WP City. This has WP City, which means it's changing it here. So it is a bug in the program. This is the actual link. But yeah, it's working perfectly. And there's Visual Composer. On and on we go. So I think this is actually a big deal, especially for me as a domain buyer. I mean, I load it on the site. I sit back and relax for a while, and bada bing, bada boom, this is going to show up. And then you can even use like the Wayback Machine to see what these were if you wanted to. Sometimes it'll show them, sometimes it won't. But it just has to do with how popular the site is. And the page, of course. So like this here may show, may not. And then, I mean, you can even go into your Ahrefs, and we could do, look at Ahrefs, and we can type in that exact one, see if it has backlinks, because sometimes there might be some other site that just somehow picked up my affiliate link. That's how we're getting traffic. Now I can make money with it. Whereas before, maybe I couldn't. And we can go through and utilize this just like a champ to get all of our rankings backlinks above the map. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this training of a quick little video on the old RankMath 404 monitor, which I think is something that I think a lot of people are going to overlook this like I did. But I mean, these are some things that it's getting traffic, so it's coming from somewhere. I should be making money with this, which is key. And you can even do like keyword finder here, see if there's any backlinks. And sometimes you'll find them, and sometimes you might just find a diamond in the rough. I've bought in domains before where one post just skyrockets and I don't do anything. It just gets traffic. But again, you wouldn't know if it existed without the RankMath 404 plugin.
Agreed.
Yep. So hopefully you guys enjoy these trainings. If you do, check us out on wpcity.com. Look at the links in the description. And of course, you can always join our live trainings at blogprofitnetwork.com. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks.